Hello friends, we are here at EXCON 2023, South Asia's largest event for construction equipment and technology. I am delighted to have with me Mr. Dhanraj Kalwar, who is the Managing Director of NORD Drivesystems. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. So sir, could you start by telling something about NORD Drivesystems and what kind of business you do and what product showcase you have for EXCON 2023?
Yeah, of course. NORD is basically a complete solution provider for energy efficient geared motors or power transmission industry. So it has a complete range of products. It gives out starting from a gearbox, a smaller size gearbox, which is our flagship product, which is you see behind me. And then with time we have ventured out into a bigger size gearboxes. So we have a product which is available starting from minimum smaller size to a bigger size like 300,000 Newton meter gearboxes, which you later on can cover on this stall. And then even we have some electronic solutions, variable frequency drive. Then there are some new product energy efficient solutions which have come up and recently launched maybe a year back. So this was about the product, but if you say about the organization, it's roughly like the company is a German company, of course, started somewhere in 1965. So it is almost a 58 years around the time. So it is in existence. Globally, they have roughly around 48 subsidiaries in 38 countries, spread across US, Asia, Europe, everywhere. You will find Australia, everywhere. Coming to India, the company was formed in 2005. We opened up a production plant in Pune, and that was in 2008. So it's almost 15 years since we are into a business in India. We have expanded. As of now, when we started, it was a small plant, but as of now, we have 3 plants in Pune, all of them producing different size of gearboxes. So it starts from a geared motor, but even the IGUs and production, many things.
So for Mr. Dhanraj, we'd like to understand from you what makes your products different from your competitors that are available in the market.
3-4 important things what we take into consideration. Nowadays, energy efficiency. Yeah, that's very important point. So whenever a product has been designed, our focus is more on the energy efficiency. Second is digitalization. And nowadays, this product has to be i4 industry, and it has to be connected to all the technology like Ethernet and many things, IoT of things. So important is energy efficient. Second is connectivity, because digitalization, we ensure that we are incorporating these things. And one more important point, which recently it is getting more and more into focus, is sustainability. So we even think of carbon footprints and many more things.
So is there any kind of new launch for this exhibition?
At Germany, we announced launch of Dio Drive. So this is basically a high efficiency power transmission gearbox. So it is supported by IE5 synchronous motor. When I say IE5, the efficiency would be something like 95% plus. So these are the new products which recently has been launched in Germany, limiting it to India. Start of the year, we started the production of gearboxes. So industrial gearboxes were started. Starting from the smaller size, we started with the 5 frame size up to 10. In between, then next month, we are thinking to launch 11 and 12 frame size in Pune. So we will be producing the gearboxes, which last year or till last year, we were importing these gearboxes. So earlier, the delivery times for these gearboxes was something like 10 to 12 weeks. But now, with the local production, we are able to deliver it in 4 to 5 weeks.
Right. In the history of 68 years for NORD Drivesystems, you are catering to various industries, including construction equipment. So how significant is this particular segment? Because we are in an exhibition where construction is being talked.
See, in general, we support more than 100 plus different verticals of industries. So many of them, pharmaceutical and many. But limiting it to construction. Construction comes into top 3 verticals for us as a customer industry. So it's quite important for us. Good amount of business comes. You name any of the bigger size OEMs and we are present there, including many things. Crusher, could be mixers and many things. We are supporting these customers with our solutions.
Today, a lot of things being spoken about, or rather spoke about electric powered construction equipment. Volvo has launched electric powered vehicle. Sany has launched electric machines for construction equipment. JCB has launched their electric powered machine. Now even today they are launching hydrogen powered construction equipment. So how do you see that, how this going to make an impact on the drive systems and its business?
Yeah, immediately I don't see immediately there would be an impact because anyhow, power transmission, all the equipments or products what we are building, these are electrically driven.
Right.
So anyhow, we don't consume any fuel or any fossil fuels and other things. But long term, yes, of course, it will be more and more focus on the energy efficiency. They want to conserve because see the focus has to be on reducing the consumption of the energy, if not at least optimizing the energy consumption. So ultimate goal is to minimize the use of energy. So rather than I will say maybe our industry gearbox or gear motor may not go for hydrogen and other things, but main focus would be to manufacture products which are highly efficient and as well as has a lower carbon footprints.
Right. So we are almost at the end of 2023 and 24 is around the corner, just a few days away. And according to you, what will be the topmost trends which will drive the drives industry in the year to come, like in 2024?
Yeah, again, my answer would be the same like the earlier one. Basically, what is power transmission? It is transmitting a power from A to B. So the losses has to be minimized. Earlier, it was main intention was to just transfer the power. Not much focus on losses and other things, efficiency. But I could see in recent time there is a good amount of awareness. People are getting aware about losses and they want a better efficiency product. So if you limit it to NORD, as I say, continuously the focus is always on manufacturing energy efficiency products. Our focus is more on the helical bevels and all those things, where the efficiency could be 90 plus. And as I said, with the new products coming into picture, the Duo Drive, which has 95% plus efficiency, I'm more confident these products would make sense in the long run.
During this conversation, what I believe is, sustainability and energy efficiency is going to be is in the DNA of NORD Drive Systems, if I am not wrong. Right. So now for the visitors of EXCON 23, what they can expect when they visit NORD Drive Systems stall?
Yeah, of course, we have showcased the entire range of product. As I said earlier, these are our flagship products, which forms roughly 70% of our turnover. But nevertheless, we have a new product which we have launched early this year. Those we call it as a Max Drive, regular Max Drive, as well as we call it as a XT, so which are longer distance. So we have more focus on these IGUs because this we have started manufacturing recently, and we have some plans next month. We will be increasing it. So main focus, of course, they will find the flagship product for which NORD is known, geared motor, industrial gearboxes or Max Drive, which is in the front, and nevertheless we have electronics products like NORD Pro, which is a new launch, which is on the other side of the stall. These are complementing products for the geared motor as well as the IGO, majorly to control or modulate the speed of the gearboxes. So this is very much needed. So electronic product also, we have some showcase on the other side.
Right. So sounds like a must-visit booth for construction equipment enthusiasts. So lastly, what message do you have for those who are curious about the drive systems and the technology development, apart from the energy efficiency and sustainability?
Yeah, of course, it's quite an important vertical. Nowadays, we speak many things about automation. And basically, what is automation? Inside, if you go into more details, you will realize these are the gearboxes and a geared motor which are moving it. Right. So, big time, there will be really a good amount of focus on the automation. And with automation coming into picture, the IoT, Internet of the Things, will also gain some importance because you need to control these units from a distant place. And here, the transmission industry will be playing a very important role.
Right. So thank you so much for sharing your insights as well as enthusiasm with us. NORD Drive Systems, we wish you the best of luck for EXCON 2023, sir. Thank you so much for joining us.
Right. Thank you for inviting.
So, and there you have it, friends. Mr. Dhanraj Kalwar from NORD Drive Systems giving us a glimpse into their exciting innovations showcased here at EXCON 2023.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.